Did you know that essential oils can transform your skin health in just a few weeks? That's right. Today we're diving into the amazing world of essential oils and how they can help you achieve your best skin ever. Stick around because I've got some natural beauty hacks that you won't want to miss. Hey, natural beauty enthusiasts! I'm sure you were as shocked by the pictures on the thumbnail as my mum was. She's 73, and those are her hands. When I showed them to her, she said that her hands look like leather. I originally made this oil to help relieve the pain and inflammation of arthritis, but I also added ingredients to help to regenerate and nourish skin cells and slow the aging process. Today I'm thrilled to dive into the enchanting world of essential oils and how they can transform your skincare routine. These oils are not just fragrant, they are packed with benefits that can make your skin glow naturally and look its best for a lifetime. By the way, if you want to make faceless videos like this, check out the links to the tools I use and other hand-selected goodies in the description. Make sure to watch to the end because I save the best tips for last. Now on with the show. Get ready to discover the top 5 essential oils for natural skincare, especially if you have mature skin. These oils are nature's gift to us, offering a range of benefits from hydration to anti-aging. First up, we have Helichrysum Italicum. This oil is derived from a beautiful yellow flower and is often used in high-end skincare products. Often referred to as the immortal flower, this oil is a true gem for aging skin. Its unique properties make it a must-have in your skincare arsenal. Helichrysum is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's like a natural facelift in a bottle. It also aids in skin regeneration, leaving your skin looking refreshed and youthful. Imagine waking up every day with skin that feels renewed and vibrant. Next on our list is Frankincense Frereana. This oil has a rich history and has been used in various cultures for its healing properties. Known as the king of oils, frankincense has been used for centuries for its powerful healing properties. It's not just for religious ceremonies, it's a skincare powerhouse. This oil helps to tone and lift the skin, reducing the visibility of scars and dark spots. It's perfect for those who want to achieve a more even complexion. It's perfect for mature skin as it promotes cell turnover and leaves your skin feeling firm and rejuvenated. You'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and elasticity. Moving on, let's talk about carrot seed oil. This oil is a hidden gem in the world of skincare. This lesser-known gem is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants. It's like a multivitamin for your skin, providing essential nutrients that help it thrive. Carrot seed oil is especially beneficial for mature skin due to its ability to repair sun damage and rejuvenate the skin. It's like giving your skin a second chance at youth. It helps to even out your skin tone and provides a radiant glow that you'll absolutely love. Your skin will look healthier and more vibrant with regular use. Now, let's not forget about lavender oil. This oil is a staple in aromatherapy and skincare for good reason. This versatile oil is not only calming to your senses, but also to your skin. It's like a spa day in a bottle, offering relaxation and skin benefits all at once. Lavender has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it great for soothing irritated skin and promoting healing. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin or occasional breakouts. Regular use can help reduce redness and make your skin look smoother and more even-toned. It's a gentle yet effective way to achieve a flawless complexion. Last but definitely not least, we have geranium oil. This oil is a floral delight with numerous benefits for your skin. This floral oil is fantastic for balancing your skin's natural oils, which is essential for both dry and oily skin types. It's like a natural regulator for your skin's oil production. Geranium helps to improve skin elasticity and tightens your skin, giving it a firmer, more youthful appearance. It's like a natural facelift without the need for surgery. Plus, its lovely scent is a bonus for your senses. It's like a bouquet of flowers that also makes your skin look amazing. So there you have it, the top 5 essential oils for natural skincare. Each of these oils offers unique benefits that can help you achieve glowing, youthful skin. Don't forget that when making your own skincare oils, it's important to choose carrier oils that enhance the properties of the essential oils you choose. My favorites for natural skincare are pomegranate seed oil, elderberry seed oil, Ximena oil, Ximena, sea buckthorn seed oil, rosehip oil, and hibiscus seed oil. Each of these oils brings its own unique benefits, making them a wonderful addition to your skincare routine. Whether you're looking to hydrate, rejuvenate, or balance your skin, there's an oil for you. Remember, always perform a patch test before using any new essential oil on your skin, and consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Safety first. So did you learn something today? That's exactly why this channel exists. Have you tried any natural remedies for anti-aging? What worked? What didn't? I'd love to hear your thoughts, tips, or experiences in the comments below. If you found this information to be at all helpful, be sure to like this video. It's an easy way to support this channel. I'd love to hear from you. Your stories can help others in this community. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more tips and discussions on essential oils and holistic wellness. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Check out one of these videos if you would like to see more of our content.